All right. So let's start recording again. So 36, part 2. The table showed the answers 4 students gave after counting cubes to find the volume of a cuboid. Student A got 8 centimeters 4. Student B, 8 centimeters cube. Student C, 8 centimeters square. And student D, 8 centimeters. Which student gave an answer with a correct unit for volume?
Student B. B, sir.
B, very good. With volume, it's 3 dimensions, so it have to be 3. All right, well done. 37. Which one of the letters has a line of symmetry? Everybody know what a line of symmetry means? It means that a line that can run, you can cut it, the letter in this case, and you get 2 exact parts. So when you fold them together, okay, when you fold them together, they fit perfectly. Let me just show you like an example. Let's say you have this. You know, draw so good enough, guys. But say you want it not straight. But say you want to find an axis of symmetry, you could cut it in half like this. And if you fold this part with this part, it would fit exactly. Or you could do it this way. And then you fold the top with the bottom and it fit exactly. So which letter would have a line of symmetry?
Sir, A.
A. A as in A or so is it
Sir,
A?
B.
B. Right. So the axis of symmetry, let me just big it up a bit. If we should draw a line right through here, and we fold this with this, it's gonna fit exactly. So it's actually A. But the answer is option B, right? All right, 38. A man on a walking holiday walks 26 kilometers on the first day and 19 kilometers on the second day. How far did he walk in total? So he walked 26 kilometers. C. Everybody agree? Oh, you got C.
Sir, I just added both numbers together.
Very good. Because say you walk this Monday, for example, and you walk this Tuesday. You just add both of them because it's only 2 walk. 9 plus 6, that's what, 15? So yeah, 45 is correct. Everyone agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 39 now. 125 students attend interviews at a college on Monday, 142 attend on Tuesday, and 142 attend on Wednesday. How many students attend all together? So work out that one.
$267.
That was fast. 267?
Wait, no, sir, I forgot to add something.
Okay. The others add it also, right?
Sir, 409.
409. That sound correct. I know end with a 9, right? Because they have 2 and 5. So that's 7 plus 2. So let's see if it's 309 or 409. Let's go. All right. So we have 2 plus 7, that's 9. 4 plus 4, 12. 4 and 4, 8, and that 12. Let me see the options with me. Right, something wrong, This should be 125. Sorry, guys. Remember, I actually put 4 when it should have been 2. So this should be 125. Alright, so 4 and 4, 8, and that 0 carry 1. So that's 409, because I carry the 1. So that's correct. This one is straightforward. 40. 31 minus 7 is?
Sir, 24.
Yeah, that's 8. It does subtract, right? All right, let's look at number 41. A book has 148 pages. You read to the end of page 89. How many pages are still to read? So it has 148 pages. You read up to 89. How many pages leave?
59.
59. Everyone agree? Guys, you don't agree? I agree. So you have a total of 148 pages and you read off 89. So how many more leave to read off? So 9 from 8 you can't. So you borrow 1. So that would give you 7. It's no 9 from 9, 18. Right? And then 8 from 13, 5. It's correct, 59. All right, let's move on to 42. A school has 5 football teams. It buys 14 shirts for each team. How many shirts does the school buy? So a school has 5 football teams. It buys 14 shirts for each team. How many shirts does the school buy?
Sir, 70.
70. Very good. I realize you can multiply very fast. So that is an awesome attribute. So 5, 4, 20. You're gonna do excellent. 5 ones 5, and that's 70. Right? Or you could have added 14 5 times. But the quickest way is to multiply. Well done, sir. There are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in a week? Let's see this one. There are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in 1 week? Work out that, guys. I'll tell you.
Sir,
Sir,
168.
168.
168. All right. What did you guys multiply it by?
27 times 24 times 7.
Very good. Because there are 7 days in a week. So 7 4s, 28. 7 2s, 14, and that's 16. Very good. So that's 168. Let's move on to 44. A bill costs $192. 4 friends share the cost equally. How much will each have to pay? So a bill costs $192. That's the total bill. But the 4 friends, they go out and they hang out and they say, we're going to share the bill equally. How much will each person pay?
Sir, $48.
$48. All right. What about the others? You agree with that? Everyone agree? Or are you still working on it?
I'm
Or you
still working.
disagree? Oh, you got 48.
Sir, I divided 4 into 192.
Very good. So it's 192. Because think about it, each person is gonna pay the same amount, so we can divide it by 4. 4 into 1, you can't. 4 into 19, that's 6. Multiply 4 times 4, that's 16. Hope you guys see my videos on TikTok on these and on my channel. So this will give you 3. Carry down the 2. And then I say 4 into 32 goes 8 times. Whoa. And then I say 4 8s, 32. So that is indeed correct. It is 48. Let's move on to 45. 4 copies of the same book cost $56. How much does each book cost? 4 copies of the same book cost $56. How much does each book cost? You went to school, you bought 4 books, and the person said, for the same book. And the person said, the total bill is $56. How much for one book?
Sir, $14.
14. Everyone agree? Could it be $15?
Sir, it's 15.
All right, someone says 15. Could it be 12? Could it be 11?
No,
No, sir.
What's your
sir,
answer?
$14.
All right, yeah, stick by 14. Someone says $15. Oh, you got 15. 15 plus 15 is what?
30, sir.
All right, and 30 and 30 would be 60. So it could not be $15, right? So it have to be $14. 14 and 14, 28, and then you add 28 and 28. All right, 46. A cake can be cut into 8 slices. I want to see how you guys do this one. How many of these cakes are needed to make 128 slices? So one cake can be cut into 8 slices, the maximum. How many of these cakes are needed for 128 slices? That's the answer, guys.
Sir, 16.
16. Everyone agree? All right. What you got 16? What's the method they use?
Division.
Divide, right? Because every cake, you put it in every one cake at 8 slices you will get, right? 8 into this, 0, 8 into 12, 1 time. 8 times 1, 8. So we are subtract now. 12 take away 8. What's 12 take away 8?
4, sir.
4 times, right? And then you carry down the 8. And then you say 8 into 48. And that's 16 times. And then we can just multiply. So that's B. All right. In a dividing competition, my first dive scored 9.3 points and my second dive scored 7.85. What is my total score for the two dives? So the first one is 9.3 and the next one is 7.8. What would be the score for the two dives? Total. How much points would I have after two dives? You guys watching the World Championship?
Yes, sir.
All right, you must watch it and cheer on for Jamaica.
Sir, I got 17.1.
17.1. Why couldn't be 17.11?
Sir, because 9.3 plus 7.8 is not 17.11.
All right, very good. So let's add it. So it's 9.3 plus 7.8. 8 and 3, 11. However, we have to carry 1 over here, so right? What about the decimal point? So 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17.1. Very good. All right, so we have 12 to go. And then I will see you guys next week again. Are you guys excited to go back to school?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, man, it should be. All right. What is the total weight of the two parcels? So one weighs 3.3 kilogram and the next one weighs 2.9 kilogram. What is the total weight of the two parcels? So add that, guys, and tell me, all right?
Sir,
A, 5.12.
Sir, D.
D, 6.2. So one person says A, 5.12, and the next person says B, 6.12. What both of you did? Or you get the answer? What you did?
I added 3.3 and 2.9.
Okay, all right. So let's add. So 9 and 3.
12.
All right, so we carry the 1, right? So it's actually 6.2. Remember, even if I get 12 here, so we can put down all of the 12, right? Put the 2, carry the 1. Just like what we did earlier, all right? All right, let's move on to this one now. So they give us that and the length, right? It's a length of 18 centimeter is cut from a rod of 76 centimeters long. Length of the rod remaining is, so the rod measures 76 centimeters and we cut off 18 centimeters. How much of the rod remains?
$58 centimeters.
58, right? Very good. So you just subtract, right? Because if it measures 76 and you cut off 18, you just subtract 18 from it, right? 8 from 6 you can't. So you borrow 1, put the 10, so you get 16 now. 16 minus 8, that's 8. Because 6 remain now. We subtract 1 from 6, which is 58. All right, very good. All right, so let's move on to 50. A magazine costs 45 cents. How much change should be given from $1? So how many cents are there in, bro, may I have a class and what going? Bro. Yeah man, me good man. May I have one class? May I show it you? All right, brother. All right. Sorry about that, guys. So it says a magazine costs 45 cents. How much change should be given from $1? Question is, how many cents are there in $1? How many cents make up a dollar? You guys not spend cents, you know. I bet you don't know. Now, let me tell you, $1 is equal to 100 cents. So you guys learn something, because cents no, that is the dollar of use nowadays. So $1 contain 100 cents. So if the magazine costs 45 cents, how much cents remain? How much change should be given? So you give $1 and it costs 45 cents. How much change did I get back?
Sir, 55.
55 cents.
55 cents. So you just subtract 45 from it and you get. All right, very good. All right, a jar contains 3.5 ounces of coffee. What is the total amount of coffee in 10 of these jars? So one jar contains 3.5 ounces and you have 10 jars. How much in 10 jars?
Sir, B, 35 ounces.
35. So it's 3.5 multiplied by 10. So when you're multiplying and there's a decimal place, like by 10 hundredths, we move the decimal point to the right, the number of zeros. So it's 1 0, so we move one place. So that's 35. Very good. Let's move on to 52. We have 8 to go, and then I see you guys next week. All right. It takes 1.2 meter of wood to make one picture frame. What length of wood will it take to make 7 of the picture frames? So 1.2, and it takes, and you're making 7. How much material you would need to make 7 of it? So 1.2, that's for 1, and you're making 7. How much material you would need to make 7?
Sir, 8.4.
8.4. Very good. All right, guys. A container holds 6.25 liters of orange juice. The juice is poured into 5 jugs, so that each jug contains the same amount. How much does each jug contain? So it's 6.25 liters, and you pour it into 5 of these jugs. How much would each jug contain? What's the answer for that, guys?
Sir, 1.25.
1.5?
No, sir, 1.
Give me the letter. Is it
C.
A? C? All right. So all you have to do is just divide, guys. I'm surprised you guys take so long with that one. 5 into 6, that's 1. 5 ones 5. Subtract. Right? So that's 1. Carry down this. Now we have 2, 12. 5 into 12, 2 times. When you reach here, so you can just look and see so it's this. Right? But we're gonna finish it just for 5 2 is 10. Subtract. You get 2, right? And then now carry down the 5. And then you say 5 into 25, which is 5 times. So multiply 5 times 5, that's 25. Bam, that's our answer. All right, let's see if we can finish quickly, so you guys can get some free time. 4 concert ticket costs $43.80. How much does 1 ticket cost? How would you guys approach that?
Sir, we divide.
We divide again, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, you know when the paper finish. So it's 4 we're dividing by, right? 4 into 4, 1. 4 ones 4. So that's 0. Carry down the 3. I think I lost myself somewhere along the line. 4 into 3, 0. Carry down the 8 now. How many 4s we can get out of 38? And if I make a mistake, what are they, guys? 4 to 4, 1, 4 ones 4, carry down the 3, 0, carry down the 8. Yeah. 4 into 38.
9.
9 times. Very good. So you put the decimal point. 4 9s 36. So subtract 36 from 38, leave 2, carry down the 0. 4 into 20, 5. So it's 10.95. All right, 55. 1 cake recipe requires half pound of margarine and another requires 3/4 pound. How much margarine is needed to make both cakes? Oh Lord, as I see margarine. Oh, all right. Just give me a few minutes. Can I finish up class here? All right, so we have 10 minutes, guys. Let's go.
Sir, D is the answer.
1 1/4. Very good. We not have to do that, right? We just add a half to 3/4. So if you add quarter, take quarter out of this, you get 1 pound, right? And then the other quarter. All right, let's go. All right, listen to this one now. A farmer grows apple and peaches on his farm. 3/4 of the land has apples, the rest has peach. What fraction of the land has peach trees? So him grow two things, apple and peach. 3/4 of the land, apple, the rest as peach. What fraction of the land as peach trees? All right, if you have a cake and you cut off 3/4 of it, what fraction remain? Guys?
Quarter.
Yeah. 1/4 and 3/4 make 1, right? Guys, remember we do fraction, you know. Try to run through the fraction again. All right, the price of a bed was $650. It is half price on sale. What is half of $650?
325.
$325. Very good. All right, so let's move on to 58. We're almost finishing now, guys. We're finishing 9:30. So that will be $325. All right, so it says now a taxi cab as a fare. Well, I go too far, guys. Hold on. A taxi cab to the airport costs $29. 4 people share the cost equally. The correct way to work out the costs is in dollars of each person is, how do you work it out? Notice they don't want you to work it out. They just want you to find out how. How you
Yes,
work
sir.
it out? Go ahead, guys. I'm listening.
Sir, A.
Hey, just divide. Hold on. Where did John go? Don't go. Sit around, guys. Wait around, go. Wait around, go. Let me go. So it will be A. You just divide by 4. 39 by 4. How could you check your answer to 375 divided by 15? So you divide 375 by 15, you get the answer. How you can know if the answer right?
You multiply.
Very good. You multiply the answer by 15. You're supposed to get back that. One is the inverse of the other. Very good. The last one. The even numbers that are greater than 2 and less than 10 are the even numbers that are greater than 10
D.
greater than 2 and less than 10. D
D.
as in dog.
Yes, sir.
All right, that is correct. All right, guys, we finished 9:30, so you guys get 30 minutes free time for yourselves. All right. So, guys, thanks for coming. See you guys next week. I will send you guys the recording. All right.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy your weekend. All right, guys. Bye.
Goodbye.
All right. Take care.